The process is a bit straightforward, I think, when you're working directly with a professor who has the time and resources to devote to you. I think that developing your question can be really straightforward. For example, you can enter a lab and the researcher or professor will talk to you about what they do in their lab. They can ask you about what of those things is interesting to you. And then you can start having conversation about that. And then the professor can give you some background reading. This background reading will often be composed of published articles that they've done, along with important articles from others. And you'll be expected to read those things. And then you're going to have to start thinking about questions, and that can often just happen on your own. You can come in and say, I read these and I thought about this. So I actually had a research project that happened like that, where I was reading some genetics papers, and saw a study that I thought was really interesting. And in reading the study, I thought, I could do this. I could mimic this study and add, another variable, and presented that to my professor, and he was absolutely, yes, let's do it. And I actually did that. And then sometimes it might not happen that way. There's different ways it can happen, but if anything, you have to have a discussion about it. And it's always going to work out better when it's with a professor who's accessible. Those few times you might, enter a lab where the professor, for whatever reason, is not accessible, I think that's when developing your own research project can get stifled.